Hey folks, this is another identities video. So if you would take a look, I'm going to start right out with the embedded question for today. I have a question: does the cosine of the quantity angle A plus angle B, is that the same thing as the cosine of angle A plus the cosine of angle B? A lot of students will look at this and think that this is distribution. And so as though it looks like distribution, it is not distribution, but my question is, are they the same thing? And does the distribution concept work here? So what I want you to do for your embedded question is I want you to plug in 30 degrees for angle A, plug in 60 degrees for angle B, and I'd like you to plug this in on the left side, plug it in on the right side of the equal sign, and tell me whether or not the left side and the right side are equal to each other. Of course, when you write this down, you'll need to show me the work for that as well. This is not just a yes or no question. So show me your work on that. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is just to give you some identities here. The first one is the cosine sum and difference identity. Number one is the cosine sum identity. So if I want to do cosine of angle A plus angle B, I'm going to start out by using this identity. Cosine of angle A times the cosine of angle B minus the sine of angle A times the sine of angle B. And of course, we will use order of operations here. For the cosine difference identity, it looks very similar. In fact, the only thing that is going to be different is the plus and the minus in between. So the cosine of angle A minus angle B is the same thing as cosine angle A, cosine angle B, plus sine angle A, sine angle B. There is a short way that I can write both of these at the same time, and so this is what that looks like. Cosine of angle A plus or minus angle B is going to be cosine A cosine B minus plus, notice that those pluses and minus there are traded, times the sine of angle A, sine of angle B. For the sine sum and difference identity, sine sum is going to be sine A cosine B plus sine B cosine A. For the difference, you'll have sine A cosine B minus sine B cosine A. The shortcut here is sine of angle A plus or minus angle B is equal to sine A cosine B plus or minus sine B cosine A. And then go on down to the tangent. The tangent sum is going to be tangent of angle A plus the tangent of angle B all over 1 minus the tangent of angle A times the tangent of angle B. For the difference identity for tangent, this is going to be tangent A minus tangent B all over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. And the shortcut to be able to write both of them at the same time, tangent angle A plus or minus angle B, is going to be tan A plus or minus tan B all over 1 minus plus, trade those, tangent A tangent B.